Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Just a reminder, after watching our tutorial, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website for more in-depth WordPress and page builder tutorials. All right, now on to today's video. Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we will be talking about how to integrate payments into your membership account, a membership site, sorry. So if you have not watched a previous video on this series of how to build a membership site with Bricks Builder, I recommend you go back and watch it. But if you have, we'll be picking up where we left off. So we will be integrating payments via Stripe. They're just like really easy to set up and get going, and they have all the available tools for you to use to test out in a sandbox environment, including credit cards and such. So it's just a really easy platform we use to integrate payments. So we'll be using that. Like every videos, make sure you have your PM Pro the plugin installed, and of course we're using Bricks Builder, so make sure you have that installed. So previously you'll cover making the membership tiers, so we won't go over that in this video. But if you need to know how to do that before we set up payments, go ahead and go to our previous video. Okay, let's get started here. Let's integrate Stripe into our payment flow, and then go to payment settings. Then under payment gateway, select Stripe. Now let's configure the Stripe settings in PM Pro using test mode. So ensure Stripe is selected under the payment gateway. And then enable test mode if you want to test the payments before going live. And trust me, you will definitely want to test your payment. Hey, if you're still watching this video, please do us a huge favor and press the like button so that we could keep making these tutorials for you. Okay, all right, back to the video. Because most likely things will not work smoothly the first time. So when you're dealing with other people's money and stuff, you definitely want to test it first. Okay. So click on the Stripe connection button. If you see not connected, it means test mode is not active. If you're having trouble connecting through the button above, you could use the API key that Stripe gave you. Click the link that says click here to connect via API settings. Then go ahead and set up your webhook. So what are webhooks? So it's just webhooks are Stripe endpoints that allow Stripe to communicate with your site to alert you of things like, successful payment, failed payments, subscription updates, etc. So you absolutely need to configure this part correctly if you want the payment flow to work correctly. PM Pro actually has a pretty good explainer video of how to set up your webhook and how to see if it's active. Then you see it on screen right now. And then after checking that everything's working, go ahead and click Save Settings. So with this setup, Stripe will securely handle all your payment transactions and communicate with your site. Now, obviously, the last step is to test to see if everything's working, test the functionality. So again, enable test mode Stripe and use the test credit card numbers that they gave you. Go to your membership page and sign up as a test user. Complete the checkout process with the test credit card number to verify that Stripe is processing your payment correctly. If everything works, then disable test mode and switch to live mode, and you're basically done. You've set up Stripe payments on your membership site. Okay, and so yeah, if you're struggling with this or you're getting errors or something, leave in the comment section below, and we'll try to help you out. If it's Bricks related or PM Pro related or Stripe related, doesn't matter. Just leave in the comment section below, and we'll try to help you out. And if you appreciate this video, hey, give us a thumbs up and hit that bell and subscription button so you get notified new videos. Okay. Now on to the next video of our series on how to create a membership site with Bricks Builder and WordPress.